What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. Man, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. Talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, turn motivation into means, and the Hussle family. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you got to do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, got a lot of fake social media accounts out there, from Telegram, Instagram, YouTube, Cash Apps, you name it. So please get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money to anybody to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you get what you pay for. All right. And please, don't just be sending your money before you contact or talk to me. Don't be just looking up random King Hussle Cash Apps and just sending your money, because my Cash App is not King Hussle anything, all right? So make sure y'all just contact me, getting the FaceTime verification call before y'all send your money, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. So, you know me, lately I've been dropping real good gems on places where you can go to get funds, get money without a signature. I mean, with just a signature, no documents, no bank statements, none of that stuff right there. All you need is a signature, right? and it's a lot of banks like this, but it's a finesse. But you just got to know what you're doing. Knowledge is power, and applied knowledge is power. If you got knowledge about something, you got information about something, and you apply it, and you to do whatever you're doing, you can make it happen. So people don't be really knowing about these loans. People don't be really knowing about these signature loans, these no doc loans and things like that, because no one's ever told them about it. So that's why I make these videos, so you guys can be aware, you guys can understand what's going on, and you guys can get you some money. Easy as that. All right, so today we're going to be talking about NIH Federal Credit Union. All right, they're giving out a $50,000 personal signature loan for 36 to 48 to 60 month terms, no collateral requirements. You can even skip a payment option for 12 months. Fixed rate currently low at 6.24 APR. And like I said, amounts up to $50,000. Yes, with just your signature. Now, it's a finesse. You gotta understand how to finesse the bank. What I mean by finesse the bank, you gotta have your paperwork together. You gotta have your documents in order for them to see, so you get approved for these loans. Now, a lot of people think a lot of loans and lenders can just go off credit score. A lot of lenders and smaller banks and credit unions, they go off relationships. And what do I mean about a relationship? I mean by you having a bank account with them, checking the savings, you depositing money, depositing more money than you're checking out. They're going to start sending you perks once you start building money, start depositing more money than you're taking out. They're going to start sending you offers from insurance to credit cards to loans, all type of things like that, right? So, hold on. They're going to start sending you perks and offers. So, boom, that's how you know you're building a relationship with that bank. Now, when it comes to signature loans, a lot of people just say, oh, I'm going to open up a bank account with this bank because they just giving out signature loans and without my credit, and I'm going to be able to get approved. That's true, but you got to understand that, okay, you got to have a certain time or relationship with that bank. You can't just go open up a bank account today, tomorrow try to approve, get a $50,000 signature loan. No, you got to build that relationship. Or you got to have that credit score. So what you need to do is you need to go open up that bank account with this bank, NIH Federal Credit Union. Open up an account, deposit some money in there. And this is on the personal side. Once you deposit a couple of dollars in there, then you want to go get your personal credit together. You want to get it in a certain order, so when they go to, just in case they're going to check, do a soft pull, and they look and see what's going on, it'll look good. Easy as that. So you're going to get you an Experian account, pay $25 a month. Once you pay $25 a month, get your Experian account, you're going to be able to see your credit score, your 3 FICOs, your Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. Once you see your 3 FICOs, you're going to be able to see the debt on your credit report, what all you owe, what's your payment history, everything, right? So once you can see all that, now you're going to see how you're going to be able to clean it. You're going to be able to, what you're going to do is you're going to freeze all 3 of your credit reports. You're going to dispute everything on your credit report. take up to 15 days after when you start seeing fall offs off your credit report. You're gonna start getting these emails like congratulations and little points added onto your credit. Once you start seeing that, then you want to go add trade lines from Credit Strong and Trade Line Supply, like I've been telling you guys, so you can start making your credit profile stronger and your payment history stronger, so you can start boosting your credit score. Credit Strong is trade installment loans. Trade Line Supply is for credit cards, credit limits. Credit AUs, credit cards and things like that, right? So the credit accounts. And you gotta have a mixture. You gotta have a mixture of both. So long as you got a mixture of both, and you got a high DTI, you got a high debt to income ratio, then you'll be good. As long as that payment history is there, and that's what they are gonna do. They're gonna build your payment history and build your debt to good debt. You're gonna be able to start getting approved. So now that you got that, now that you've been depositing money into this bank account, now you can go apply. Wait up to 32 days. After 32 days, now you can go apply for this $50,000 personal signature loan. No documents needed. And get you some funds. So without further ado, let's check them out. NIH Federal Credit Union. All right, so today we're going to be talking about NIH Federal Credit Union. All right, discovering banking with heart. Open an account, get a loan, get a home loan, get a credit card. All right, so they got different options. They got a healthy approach to banking. They got you're unique because of what you do. They got open an account, get a loan, all them things I just said. Community engagement, working together to maintain a healthy community. They got different things like that. So go to menu over here. Once you go to menu, they got accounts. They got checking, consumer business savings accounts, certificates and money markets rates. They got investments and insurance. They got investing, retirement insurance, investing, login. They got borrowing, auto and motorcycle, business, credit cards, mortgages, home equity, home improvement, personal and needs, student, NIH, fellows advantage, more support. They got digital banking, they got online banking, mobile payments. They got mobile payments, new, My Credit, RX, Move or Send Money, Zelle, Interactive. So boom, so what you want to do is you want to go to, my bad, get that out the way. You want to go to personal and needs, you want to go to personal options and loans, right? So they got the personal signature loan, a great loan just when you need it. This loan is very popular, a way to get cash for a specific need, such as debt consolidation, home repairs, major household purchase, educational expenses, a family event, or unplanned emergency. An NIHFCU signature loan includes a fixed rate currently as low as 6.248% APR, amounts up to $50,000, terms as of 36, 48, and 60 months, no collateral requirements, skip a payment option every 12 months, optional loan guardian debt protection, consolidating debt, use your debt consolidator calculator to estimate your potential savings. And then it goes into debt. Then they got the home improvement loans, they got the personal line of credit, our all-purpose line of credit. They got the Our Personal Line of Credit is a convenient way to access cash for everyday and urgent needs. N is often used as overdraft protection for your checking account and features rates as low as 8.24 APR with NIHFCU total care checking auto payment, credit limits up to $25,000, 5-year draw period with a 5-year repayment period. Replenishes itself as you pay it back. Optional loan guardian debt protection. All right, they got the additional loan options. They got the easy process, and it just breaks down what all you need to know so you can be successful in getting this money. All right, and then they also got the business side. So they got the business loan options. They got the business lending. We provide a variety of business loans to biomedical, healthcare, and other businesses in the mid-Atlantic region, and now proud to expand our program nationwide. Our business loans can be used by members to purchase or refinance real estate, help manage cash flow, grow and start your business, purchase equipment. All right, so they got the commercial real estate loans up to $5 million. They got the equipment loans up to $350,000. They got the small business administration loans, the SBA loans, to $5 million. They got the working capital lines of credit, the $350,000. They got the Visa Business Rewards credit card. So that's the 9.9 intro APR for the first 12 months on purchases and balance transfers. Then a variable APR of prime plus 7.74. Earn 1 point every dollar spent on net purchases. Earn 2x, 2 times more for every net dollar business category purchase, including medical equipment and supplies. Redeem points for cash, travel, gift cards, merchandise, or donate to the NIH charities. Low foreign transaction fees. Advanced security features, including Visa Zero liability, 24/7 fraud monitoring, and cards and alerts. Contactless tap and pay convenience. All right, so make sure y'all going to tap in with NIH Federal Credit Union. Go open up a bank account. Follow those steps in the beginning of the video. Before you do, once you do, let it marinate for 32 days, and I guarantee you will get approved for $50,000. Without further ado, let's talk about NIH Federal Credit Union. All right, so let's talk about it. NIH Federal Credit Union, they're giving out the $50,000 personal signature loans. All right, all you gotta do is have a personal relationship with that bank, which means have a bank account, checking and savings with them, have a reoccurring depositing history, means you deposit money in that bank account on a regular basis, and you have a good chance of getting approved for that $50,000. All right, and even when you do apply, make sure the steps that I gave you guys before in the beginning of the video with cleaning your credit and getting together and monitoring your credit, make sure you do that too, because credit will be a #1 factor in becoming successful and becoming a multi-millionaire in this world. All right, so don't just try to bypass credit. Don't just try to find loopholes just to get the money, because if you got that mentality, you will not be successful. All right, you're not willing to learn, it'll never be your turn. That's my new motto. So people who out there that's not willing to learn something, to do it the right way, it'll never be your turn out here in life. It'll never be your turn to be successful. It'll never be your turn to be the person out here with the bands, with the thousands, and doing whatever you need to do. All right, so knowledge is power. Applied knowledge is power, and just take it into consideration and make sure y'all listen to what I'm saying and hear what I'm saying and not just watching what I'm saying. All right, so shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, subscribers. Without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping this sauce. Y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. That's what I'm continuing to do. All right, so shout out to y'all. Anybody out there looking to get their credit lessons, like I'm doing a flash sale right now. Credit lessons. You want to learn how to clean your credit, build your credit, get loans, lines of credit, and credit cards. It's going to be $300 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. You want to get your credit lessons, make sure that $300 on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance. Send me the screenshot, and we're going to get to work. I'm going to get you together, all right? Also, anybody out there looking to get one to learn, you want to learn how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media, $250. I'm going to show you, give you the sauce on that. $250 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. All right. So once you got the $250 on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance in the screenshot, let me know you want to learn how to make that sauce, $1,000 a day off social media, and we're gonna get to work. FaceTime one-on-ones. All right. Also, anybody looking to get their FaceTime basic lesson gems, it's gonna be $500. All right. One basic lesson, any one thing that you want to learn how to do, tap in. I'm gonna teach you how to do it. And you're gonna get to work. Also, anybody looking to get their FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems, it's gonna be $1,200. I'm going to teach you about CPNs. I'm going to teach you about credit, how to clean and build it. I'm going to teach you how to make passive income. I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 a day off social media. I'm going to show you whatever you need to know, documents, all that good stuff like that. All right, so make sure y'all tap it in with the little gems. Also, make sure y'all tap in with the mentorships. It's $2,500. It's going to be all the limit gems, plus I'm going to teach you about the DW, and we're going to make this money together with this YouTube automation. We're going to make a channel together, or 2, or 3, or 4. The channel start making 10,000, you get 5, I get 5. The channel start making 20, you get 10, I get 10. Easy as that. As long as we put in the same work and grind and effort to build a channel, we'll be A-okay. Also, make sure y'all book y'all seat on the crypto tour, in-person unlimited gems. $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state. If I got to come out-of-state to you, it's going to be $4,500. If you come in-state to me, it's going to be $3,500. All right, $500 deposit. The rest of the money will meet in person. All right, so make sure y'all booking that, tapping in. Let's get this money and run them bands up. All right, still looking for people for the production company. Still looking for actors, singers, models, producers, cameraman, you name it. You got talent, let's get it. Any rappers, singers out there, music reviews is $200. You don't got $200 to invest in yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 into you and your whatever you got going on? Any beautiful ladies out there is looking to get their brand, their platform off the ground. They're looking to get out there, looking to try something new. We're going to be doing music, blogs, interaction with the fans. We're going to be doing traveling, music videos. We're going to be doing it all, all right? So don't just limit yourself to one thing. I'm going to put you in a lot of different positions to get your face and brand out there, and you never know, if one thing pops, you can take that money and invest into what you really want to do, all right? So it's easy as that, and it's all fun at the end of the day, so make sure you're tapping in. You don't got a good attitude, I can't work with you. You don't got a good head on your shoulders, you can't be corrected, you can't be directed, point blank period, all right? So make sure you come in with a good attitude. I promise you we're going to win together. Any videographers out there, let's work. Content equals views, views equals money. Easy as that. So I'm looking for a great team of people to link, work with, and make this money with. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in. Also, listen, anybody looking to run these bands up, you looking to get that Cash App glitchy, tap in. 250 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once that 250 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me the screenshot. You can contact me on my Telegram. The link is in every video in the description in my Telegram and in my community post if you want to get going with the Cash App glitchy. So for 250, you can get the Cash App glitchy, the card cracker method, and one free fully for 250. All right, don't miss out on this deal. People really getting this money. People really running them bands up, and it's really a new pandemic. So make sure you don't miss out. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in. Make sure y'all go follow my Telegram. 250 Cash App glitchy, Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Don't miss out on your opportunity, because it won't last. Well, it will last, but don't be a person to be hating, get caught hating, and miss out on your dinner plate. Come get a plate. Everybody can eat. Trust the process, and you'll be good. All right. So without further ado, y'all know how I get down to any of these videos. I see you at the next. Let me show y'all what this Cash App glitchy doing before I get up off here too. Hey, I did this like 3 times already with the Cash App glitch, all right? So make sure y'all tapping in with the Cash App glitch. You can do it too. 250 Cash App at Bitcoin payment. Don't miss out. Hit me on my Telegram. Link is in my description or my community post. I'm out of here. See you next video. Peace.